You can see this is a flat version, this is a ribbed version, slightly recessed, and then started doing various hoods that people could take on, and then the hood can just be screwed on. So whatever type hood, you could even monogram that, I suppose, if you wanted. All different types of hoods we could put on. Round was a standard shape since the optic was round, but square, anything is pretty much possible. Watertight connector on it. On the non-water, we put a non-watertight. The center of the system was the LED and the optic, and back then the LED that we used was this size of an LED, the black square there, and mounted onto a little circuit board, an aluminum board. And this is the optic that was on there. So you'll see it's a larger optic, it's also an acrylic optic, and that would basically fit inside, and then we'd put a gasket in there and it would seal it. This is the LED that we're using as a standard, and you'll see that the size is significantly different, much smaller. In fact, I tried out all the different acrylics, and personally I didn't care for any of them, so I went to a reflector instead. Now, one of the challenges over time has been that the LED companies change their LEDs, and here are just a sampling of all the different LEDs that we've used, and there's many, many more that we've used over time. And you can see that the shapes and the sizes all change. You'll see that the LED that we standardize on now is this guy here, the Rebel, right? And you'll see how much smaller that LED is versus this LED, right? So you can see we may or may not have this particular model in stock. It may have been changed to accommodate a different LED. Volume makes things easier because that gets the cost down. If somebody came and said they wanted one of these units square, can we do it? Absolutely. But the setup charges to make something square is going to be expensive. But if somebody doesn't mind, if somebody wanted this made out of copper instead of aluminum, not a problem. If you have any further questions, please send us an email on the website under the frequently asked questions section. Thank you.